Can we go that way? Hey, look at me! Bob, Mommy, I'll go that way.
Don't.
This is got my giving
Don't.
away.
I'm sure you're going to get started.
Hey, Mom, can I go over there, Dad? I come
What?
back.
No, you're going to fall in water. It's deep.
Mommy. Deep. You don't go there. Deepness. You know what? Nobody's bad.
Hey guys, dance Albanian volley. If you want to say more. Guys, dance just a little bit, please. Please together, hold hands. Leonie, hold hands. Thank you, sister. If you want to dance volley Albanian, if you want to say. Okay, sister, dance if you want to say. Hurry up. Sister. Okay, good. Thank you. That's enough. Thank you, guys.
Let's go play.
We're in a park. You want to please something? Like them.
We have to go do a magic job, okay? We have to go do a magic job. Whoa, I don't need them. Whoa, what the hell is beautiful? Mom,
What?
side no feed fish.
What is that?
Side no feed fish.
Oh, you're right, Leonie. Did you have fun today?
Yep.
Look at me, please. Can you look at me?
I love
I love you.
you.
That's a boat.
Pretty good wine, I don't know.
Hi, gorgeous. Can you say C-A-M-E for mommy, please?
Look what I just did.
Sister, look at mommy. Can you say C-A-M-E for mommy if you want to say? Say Popo Shumir. Hi, King. Can you say that, Leonie?